So hello and welcome to my video demonstration of the enhanced vision aid for low vision partially blind students. So essentially in this video we're demonstrating how the person will be mantling the stand for the camera and how you're going to use the camera to read in a test class. Right? So the stand is segmented into various parts, and I'm going to demonstrate how the person is going to form the whole stand according to the class is reading in. So if you can point to the board. So from where I am to the board is not really far. So I will not be using the full stand, but I'll demonstrate how to fix the whole stand. So this is the base of the whole stand, and then you can choose any of the lengths, right? And then you just fix one onto it this way. Then you use this bridge to extend it for a higher height, and then you fit the other one with the colors matching onto it. Then now this stand is where the camera and then the electronics sit. So that one sits on top of it this way, like that. And then you now will mount this onto it for the whole stand. But because the board is not far from me, I don't need this tall height to read that height. The board is not really far. So we will not use this height. We'll just fix it this way to read from the board. So I'll just place the camera on it and then we'll continue. So now we've mounted the camera with its microcontroller, and then we are temporarily using the USB cable for the testing process, right? And this is fixed into a structure. So we made a slot where we slot this thing to keep it stable during class, so it doesn't be vibrating as the class session is going on, right? So we're going to turn on the camera and read something from the board to try. So as it stands, I cannot read anything from the board. So let's put it. So the idea is when we turn the device on, there's a blue light that blinks to indicate that it has started its Wi-Fi network. So I come to my laptop and then connect to that network, so that I can now get to see what the camera is showing. Good. So this is the network. It's called, we named it the IC Low Vision Aid. So after connecting to it, we have this. You can use this method or another method, but this method is to start the application from the Visual Studio Codes using the Live Server library. So when you use code, I just do open with Live Server and to start the application inside the browser. And here it is, right? And that is it. That's the camera trying to video the person videoing me as it stands, right? So let's read from the board now. So I'm going to turn the camera to the board, and then I'll practice reading with the camera now. So whatever is being streamed from the board is coming to my laptop, and I'm using that to read what's on the board. So Daryl, can you please point something so that I can try reading? Can you read this? So I'm going to try reading that. And then he wrote the word anything. Am I right? Yes. Yeah. So by using this, I was able to read. Can I write something else? Can you read this word? So he wrote the word welcome to class. This is
there's light.
So that's the only problem we were sort of facing in the testing, so that whenever light reflects onto the board, it was hard for the camera to pick that. So we're doing some color and some light correction as we go on. But yeah, so that is okay. So let me see if I could read what was there. Instrumentation. Okay. So the application is in different folds, right? So I'm going to use I don't know if you saw me, I was using my hand to manually zoom in.